Hey y'all, my name is Carly. I am an environmental scientist and the Natural Resources Education Coordinator at Holiday Lake 4-H Center. Today we're going to do a little bit of kitchen chemistry. You ready? Awesome. Alright, so we're going to be talking about pH, or the power of hydrogen. This is talking about how many hydrogen ions are present in a substance. If there's a lot, we call that acidic. If there's not so many, we call that basic. This scale runs from 0 to 14, with neutral, plain distilled water being 7 right in the middle. So there's a whole bunch of different ways that we can test the pH. You can buy fancy kits at a store, you can order them online, or you can make your own pH indicator right at home. I used some red cabbage and I boiled it down until I get this kind of purpley looking liquid. And this is the anthocyanin. It's a chemical called anthocyanin that's present in red cabbage. It's also present in things like acorns and avocados. Lots of seeds have it as an antifreeze and sun protected. But this anthocyanin also reacts really well with hydrogen ions. So it acts as an indicator to tell us if something is more acidic or more basic. I want to do a little test on some stuff I found in the cabinets. I've got liquid hand soap mixed with distilled water. I mix all these with distilled water just to keep it as, diluted as possible. I've also got some baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. So all 4 of these things are things that you can super easily find at home, in your kitchen cabinets. So we're going to give this a test. Again, if you want to make this at home, you can find instructions online. Please, please, please don't operate the stove without an adult, but you can test all kinds of really cool things at home. All right, so from our dish soap, baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice, I want you to pause this video and take just a second. Take a guess at what you think is going to be the most acidic. Most acidic with this juice is going to show up as a bright pink or a bright red, to the least acidic, or the most basic, which is going to show up as like a dark blue. So go ahead, take a second, talk to whoever's at home. Try and put these in order for me, from most acidic to least acidic. Go. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to add just a little bit of this cabbage juice to each of these to see what happens. Kind of keep a running tally. Does this line up with what you thought was going to happen? Is this totally surprising to you? All right, so again, I've got my hand soap, my baking soda, my vinegar, and my lemon juice. You ready? When I add cabbage juice to my hand soap, this turned a nice dark purple color. I don't know if y'all can see that real well. A nice dark blue, dark purple. If I add some to my baking soda, ooh, I get even more of a pure blue. Now, is that basic or acidic? Basic. All right, to my vinegar. That's pretty cool. And how about to my lemon juice? Ooh. So, are these in the right order? I don't think so. If we're going from most acidic to most basic, I think we should maybe do a shuffle. How about here? Although those are pretty close. And I would switch these two around. So all of these running from most acidic to most basic. Where did my cabbage juice go? Well, because I made it with distilled water, it's still at a 7. So it's actually going to sit right in the middle. Those colors look right to you? Awesome. Thank thanks for joining me, everyone, and I look forward to any questions or comments that you have or pictures of your own experiments down in the comment section. Thanks, guys.